Hey everybody, I just wanted to give you a quick little tutorial on how to use your screen capture tool. It's something that I know a lot of you already have been using, but I've had a lot of questions about it this year, so I thought I'd give something a little bit more specific and in detail just to make sure everybody can use this when you need it. It is one of the most useful things that I've used this year when showing somebody what I've wanted them to see from my computer, and it is very, very simple. When you want to capture something on your screen from a PC, all you have to do is hit Windows Shift S. You're going to see that you've got some options come up here. One is going to be the entire window. The other one is going to be your entire screen, including the taskbar. I always use the rectangular snip because it allows me to drag across on the screen. When I drag across and let go, it will automatically copy that, and you'll see there's a little notice in the corner. It'll automatically copy that, and I can go directly to anywhere I want to paste that, whether it be in an email. I hit Control V to paste. I could do it in a slideshow presentation. I could do it in a doc. And that's a very, very easy way to do that. So again, on a PC, you're going to hit Windows Shift S. On a Chromebook, you're going to hit Control Shift and then show all windows. It does the same exact thing. Now, if you'd like to annotate or save any of the screenshots that you have, you can go to the bottom right-hand corner, you click on your notifications window, and you'll see that your last screen capture is at the top. And when you click on that, you can now annotate your file with the markers, you can erase different things, but also once you do that, you can save it to your desktop or documents so that you can upload it wherever. You can also directly copy it after you make your annotations. So if I wanted somebody to really focus on this problem, I can circle that. I can now hit copy, go back to my email, and I can quickly paste it with the annotations. A quick note on Google Forms. You can't copy and paste an image in Google Forms. However, you can still use the screen capture tool. So when you go to a screen capture, and I'm just going to screen capture a rubric that I put into Google Classroom. Now I'd love to go to Google Forms and just directly paste this in as an image, but I can't do that. So what I can do, I can go to my notifications, the last screen capture that I grabbed, and I can save this to my computer. When I save it to my computer, I want to make sure that I can find it easily. So I'm going to save it on my desktop, and now I can come back into Google Forms, click on my image, and I'm going to upload from my local device, and I can go to my desktop, find my rubric, open it that way, and then you have it in here. If you have any questions about this, feel free to reach out, and I will help you in any way that I can. Thanks, everybody.